Take a look at this 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LS. Carfax has certified the Silverado 2500 as having one owner. This Silverado 2500 has just under 69,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Silverado 2500 boasts a 6.6-liter V8 turbo engine and has an automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. This vehicle comes equipped with power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and fog lights. Call 888-632-4145 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.